And welcome back. In the previous video, we talked about a few of the common tags that HTML uses. We're going to expand on that knowledge and learn a few more. So I'm going to delete these. And I'm going to teach you about something called a ordered list. So an OL tag. And within this tag, we have list items. Banana. And remove their list item. Do apple. And lastly, let's do orange. So if I save this, again, I refresh. And we have banana, apple, orange. So you can see here, this is how you make lists. And this is an ordered list. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3. If we want to make it without the numbers, we use something called an unordered list. And again, I save that and refresh, and we have these. Now there's also subfields that you can use. So again, this is all about nesting and having parent tags and children tags. So let's say within apples, we wanted to have, let me structure that a little bit cleaner. There we go. Within apples, we also want to emphasize that there is the Fuji apple and there is Honey Crisp. Well, I can't think of a third type of apple, so I'm just going to delete that. If I save this and refresh, well, we have a nested list. There you have it. We have your list items. I'll see you in the next video where we're going to learn about putting images into our website and self-closing tags. See you in the next one.